In this video, I'll guide you through how to send a test email on Substack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to sending a polished test version of your newsletter to your own inbox so you can check how everything looks before it goes out to your subscribers. First, open your browser and go to substack.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your usual login details and choose the publication you want to work with. Once you're in your Substack dashboard, you'll see your main controls for writing and managing posts. From here, look for the button or link labeled Create. This is usually near the top of the page. Go ahead and click Create. This is how you start making new content inside Substack, whether it's a newsletter, a podcast episode, or something else. After you click Create, you'll see different options for the type of content you can make. For this tutorial, we're focusing on a standard written newsletter, so click on Article. That opens up the writing editor where you'll draft the email you want to test. At the top of the editor, you'll see fields where you can add a title and a subtitle. Click into the title field and type in a clear, descriptive headline. This is the subject line your readers will see in their inbox, so choose something that represents your content well. Then, if you'd like, add a subtitle. The subtitle is optional but helpful if you want to add a bit more context or a short tagline under the main title. Now you can start writing your content. Click into the main body area and begin typing your article. You can write just as you would in any text editor, add paragraphs, links, and any formatting you want, like bold headings or italic text. If your newsletter includes sections, consider using short headings and clear breaks so it's easy to scan. Take your time here to get the content, tone, and structure the way you want them. Remember, this is exactly what will appear in the test email. Once you're done writing and you're happy with how everything looks in the editor, it's time to preview it. Look for the preview option, usually near the top right of the editor. Click Preview. This opens a view that shows how your article will appear to your readers, both as a web post and, importantly, in email form. Scroll through the preview and check for things like spacing, line breaks, links, and any images you've included. When the preview looks good, find and click the Share button. This is typically available from within the preview view. Clicking Share brings up options for how you want to distribute or test your newsletter. In this menu, look for the option labeled Send Test Email. Under that section, you'll see a button that simply says Send. Make sure the email address shown is the one you want to use for the test, then click Send. Substack will send a preview version of your newsletter to that inbox. Now just open your email, find the test message, and review it as if you were one of your own subscribers. That's all there is to sending a test email on Substack.